intersection of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know me. But when we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? We're in a world of our own.
Hello everyone, it's Anzu, and today we're starting our makeup with moisture cream. I'll be using the one from 11 Village Factory. To lighten up my tired eyes, I'm using Baby Tone Up eyeliner from Apio. For my chapped lips, I'm gonna use a lip scrub pot from Sayamul. First, I'm gonna rub it onto my lips with my finger, and as the dead skins start to come off, I will use a tissue that has a texture to get rid of the skin cells. And I'm gonna finish my lip care with Holika's Peko lip balm, and the middle part of it can actually give a tint to your lips, but since this is just lip care, I will use the outer part which has no tint at all. For my makeup base, I'm using My Drop Volume Glow from Innisfree. You can also mix this one with your foundation, and I'll also do that because I really love the glowy look it gives. For the foundation, I'll go with Apio's Personal Tone Foundation and mix it with the base. And to apply the foundation, I'll use this foundation brush from Pony Effects mini brush set, and I'll also mostly use these brushes in this video. I'll also set the foundation around my eye area using a powder. To highlight certain areas, I'm gonna use Real Ampoule highlighter from Artificial.Music, and since it's a brush highlighter, it's much easier to use it. Now I'm getting the color 2 eyeshadow from the Jewel Shadow set from BBIA, and I'm gonna apply it to my whole eyelid and just spread it around with a fluffy brush. I'll also apply it to the under eye area and connect it with the eyeshadow on the top eyelid. Now I'm getting the number 1 color from the same set, which is a really shimmery shadow, and I will apply it on the top eyelid again. Moving on to the 4th eyeshadow, I will start from the outer part of my eye and blend it with the rest of the eyeshadow. And using the 3rd eyeshadow, I will contour my nose. Afterwards, I will give myself full brows using a light eyebrow pencil because I don't want to make any big mistakes, but when it's over, I will go over it with a darker pencil. I'll give myself a simple eyeliner using a black eyeliner, but I won't exaggerate it, I won't make it too thick, too big, or anything like that. For the eyelashes, I'm gonna go for a natural pair from Etude House, and these are called 02 Point Lash. I'll also go over the false eyelashes with a mascara, and I'll also apply the same mascara to my bottom eyelashes. Now I'm getting this glitter eyeliner mascara from Apio, and I'm just gonna go over my bottom eyelashes with it. And for my blusher, I'm gonna get the Peko edition from Holika Holika, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my cheeks with my finger. I'll also switch to a brush later because I can make the color transition much easier with a brush. For the highlighter, I'm gonna go for the Peko edition again and use their luminizer, but if you hate oily texture, this might not be the best choice for you because it has kind of a sticky texture. For the lips, I'll go for an orange tint from Saemul, and I'll apply it to the middle part of my lips, and then I will spread it around using a fluffy brush. I'll also define my lips with a lip liner so I won't go too much overboard while spreading the lip tint with a brush. I'll finish the lips with a lip plumper from Apio. This one has some wasabi in it, which kind of tingles your lips, and it does get visibly plumper, I would say, but it's not a very lasting effect. For the cherries, I'm gonna start with a cream blusher, and I'll apply it with a small brush to my cheeks just to define the cherries a little. It doesn't have to be very strict, it doesn't have to have very harsh outlines. To draw the stems of the cherries, I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner. Before that, I used a yellow eyeliner to draw guides for it, and I'm just going over it with the brown one. And for the leaves of the cherries, I'm gonna switch to a green eyeliner. Using darker red eyeshadows, I'm gonna shade the cherries a little bit. And I'll give the cherries a little bit of shine with a white eyeliner. And with this, our makeup will be done. I hope you enjoyed it, and honestly, I added the cherries the last minute. I didn't plan them before the video, but the earrings gave me this idea and I think it made a great addition to the makeup. So yeah, I guess this is all. For the links of the makeup products I used, you can check the description below as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!